To set up Siri on iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, first of all navigate to Settings, and here you will find Apple Intelligence and Siri. Tap on that, and here you will see Talk to Siri. Tap on that. After that, you can either select Hey Siri or Hey Siri. I am selecting Hey Siri. Tap on Enable Siri, and at this point you will need to repeat some phrases so that it can recognize your voice. Tap on Continue. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. Once you have repeated the phrases, it is saying Siri is ready. Tap on done. And now you can easily activate Siri by saying Hey Siri. Let's test. Hey Siri, it is working. And you can also press side button to activate Siri from right here. So that's it for this video. If this video helps, subscribe.